water and electrolyte balance. Let's talk about water balance first. As I ask as the first question in this chapter, water content and distribution. Where are these water? We have water in our system. They're located in intracellular and extracellular space, so they're called ICF and ECF. The fluid within cells are called intracellular fluid, and the fluid outside of the cells called extracellular fluid. ECF, which is the abbreviation of extracellular fluid, are the combination of interstitial fluid and intravascular fluid. Water has a function of promoting material metabolism, regulating body temperature, and lubrication. And when we put water and solutes in it together, the body fluid is formed. It accounts for 60% of our body weight. And the body fluid inside of the cells are 40% out of this 60% of body weight. And the interstitial fluid, which is ECF, and plasma, part of blood, which accounts for 15%, and 5% of this 60% of body weight. And body fluid varies with age, gender, and amount of body fat. So the older, the more body fluid you have, or the younger, the more body fluid you have. Yes, the younger you are, the more body fluid you have. Adult females have a lower proportion of body fluid than the males of same age. This is a bit opposite to what we thought. We always feel the skin of females are more tender and moistured than men. So it must be adult males have a lower proportion of body fluid. But the fact is the opposite way. Women have a lower proportion, and the more fat you have, the more body fluid. Okay, here, pay attention. It's the same trend as age. The more age and the more fat you have, the less body fluid you have. The other aspect B, section B, we can call it water daily balance. How much water do you drink every day? Do you drink water, pure water, or you will drink some soft drink, juice, fruit juice, vegetable juice, or coffee, milk? No matter what kind of liquid you have, there is water in it. The normal water gains and losses for a 60 kg man is the intake is from drinking. Intake from drinking is from 1,000 to 100, 300 milliliter, and water in food is 700 to 900, and oxidative water is 300, and in total 5 bottles of mineral water, 4 to 5, 2,000 to 2,500 milliliters. And let's pay attention to the output. Urine, similar as what you drink. Skin, evaporation. And stool, 150. Respiration, when we're breathing, especially in winter, you see the white air just out of your mouth. That's water in it. Respiration, 350 milliliter. In total, it's equivalent with the intake every day, which is 2,000 to 2,500 milliliter. An adult, sorry, I missed N here. An adult need water about 35 to 40 milliliter per kg every day. So you can calculate according to your weight. The heavier you are, the more water you need as basic consumption. At least 500 milliliter urine per day can eliminate metabolic waste produced in body. So you should have at least 500 milliliter. And when it comes to the volume of urine, clinically, we have people who are suffering from very less urine. It's called oliguria. Oliguria means 400 milliliter per day. And anuria. Anuria means less than 100 milliliter per day. Electrolytes in body fluid. We said body fluid is a combination of solutes and water. And the solutes mainly are electrolytes. We have cations and anions. In ECF, we have the listed electrolytes, and in ICF, all the electrolytes are listed here too. Have a look. Do you know there are so many electrolytes in our body? So out of our cells, we have sodium, yes, sodium in the body fluid, ECF, and inside, mainly we have potassium. They are the dominant electrolytes in and out of the cell. Sodium requirement is about 4 to 6 grams every day. We shouldn't take more because it's one of the factors will lead to hypertension according to statistics, lead to primary hypertension. Mainly gain from daily salt supplements. About 90% is eliminated through urine. Characteristic of renal sodium excretion, high intake. That's a characteristic of it. High intake, high excretion. So the more salty drink you have, the more salty your urine will be. Low intake, low excretion. No intake, no excretion. And the sodium level in serum is 130 to 150.